Hi, today let's learn about serial numbering or sequencing numbering in Excel. So, have you ever wondered why if someone types like John, you enter, it comes to one, say David, Lee, Smith. You can see we're having sequence here. So, how do you come up to this? So, let me show you on how to go about that. Now, this is what you need to do. So you just need to come to where you need the number. Then we're going to use if function. So we'll say if what is here the first name equals to, open the quotation marks, comma, again quotation marks, then what the return if false, I need 1, then close that formula and enter. Again you come to the second one, and now we say if now before equals to the same quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, the value if true, the value if false should now be equals to A3 plus 1. Then you close. Now, after doing that, you realize now we've now made the cells dynamic. So what I'll do, I'll just pull this down once. And that means whenever I say John comes, say James, Lee, Sarah, any name. Now if you type, it will. So how do you basically do this? So you can display for you here with the text. So what you need to master is just this formula text. And I've shown you here on how to write that formula. These are the formulas that I used. Then you apply silently to make it dynamic. So if you like our video, share and subscribe for more.